When you opened Excel, it has already created such a notebook for you, even though it is still empty at this point. And it has named the notebook as Book 1. In Excel terminology, a notebook is called as a workbook in Excel terms. And each workbook comes with 3 worksheets by default. And these worksheets are also named such as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. And you can compare these worksheets to the pages in your paper notebook. In Excel, you can create any number of additional pages or worksheets. So I click this button and I get another sheet added, and I can add another one easily too. And I can also delete them by right clicking and selecting delete. I will be able to delete them easily. I can also move these worksheets around in any order I would like to use it in. So you can create any number of worksheets. You can easily delete, you can move, you can copy. You can also rename these worksheets however you would like. Even though Excel creates these names by default, it's very easy to rename them. Just double click on any of these names and you can write your own name very easily. And if you'd like to keep this name, you have to hit enter. And if you don't like this name for some reason, you can just hit escape and you will return back to the original name. In the past, for accounting purposes, spreadsheets were used. Spreadsheet is nothing but a large sheet of paper where rows and columns are printed, which helped people write and organize information properly, which helped them in doing calculations along a column or along the row. So they would use these sheets of paper for calculations, whether they do the calculation manually or use a calculator. Nowadays, everyone uses a spreadsheet software to create such spreadsheets, and Excel is the most widely used one in the world. You might be hearing the terms spreadsheet, worksheet, Excel sheet, but they all mean the same thing. So this is important for you to understand. Depending on who you speak to, they may use a slightly different term, but it means the same thing.